This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to send an e-transfer using the CIBC mobile app. Whether you're paying a friend back for lunch or sending money to a family member, this guide will make the process simple and straightforward. First things first, to send an e-transfer, you'll need to open the CIBC mobile banking app on your device. Once you have the app open, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as you'll need them to access your account securely. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon at the top of your screen. This is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to reveal the menu options. In this menu, you'll want to navigate to the section titled Move Money. Here, you'll see various options, but what you're looking for is Interact e-transfer. Tap on that to proceed. Now that you're in the right section, tap on Send Money. This is where you'll start the process of sending your e-transfer. The next step is to enter the amount you wish to send. Make sure to double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. After entering the amount, you'll need to choose the account you want to send the money from. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you're selecting the correct one to avoid any issues. Next, it's time to select the recipient. If you've sent money to this person before, their name might already be listed. However, if it's a new contact, simply tap on New Contact. You'll need to enter the recipient's details such as their name, an email, or phone number. Once you've entered the information, don't forget to tap Save to store these details for future use. At this point, you may be prompted to verify your identity. This is a security measure to protect your account. You can do this by selecting your preferred contact method for receiving a security code, such as a text message or email. Enter the code when prompted and confirm the contact to proceed. Now scroll down to review the transfer settings. Here you can adjust options like the frequency of the transfer and the transfer date. If you wish, you can also add an optional message for the recipient, which can be a nice personal touch. Once you're satisfied with all the details, tap Continue to move forward. If the recipient is registered for auto deposit, the money will be deposited directly into their account without any further action needed. However, if they are not registered, you might need to set up a security question and password for the transfer. This step ensures that only the intended recipient can access the funds. Finally, review all the details one last time and confirm the transfer to complete the e-transfer process. And there you have it, that's how to send an e-transfer using CIBC. With these steps, you'll be able to send money quickly and securely anytime you need.